Well, we're heading into March. We're already talking about severe weather. We got impactful weather Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday night. Severe storms, that appears possible with all modes of severe weather are on the table and possible with this threat of severe weather on your Tuesday. But we want to make sure you are checking back in for updates because we continue to fine-tune this forecast. We're getting more answers, or we're getting more questions answered each and every day as we get closer to Tuesday. So what is our impact level scale looking like on the impacts? Really, Monday, we're fine. Tuesday, I've got a low to medium threat for impactful weather. This could go up or this could go down depending on the severe weather risk, and the severe storms are possible. We get this out of here Thursday and Wednesday. I'm thinking of maybe adding a low end threat for some impactful weather just because we will be still experiencing some strong gusty winds after the storms move past through the area, and then Thursday we're all fine. But really our attention is on Tuesday. This is the Storm Prediction Center outlook for day 5. Most of the Magnolias, they were outlined in a risk for severe weather, but closer to home in our coverage area, we're split between a level 3 for our westernmost communities and then central and eastern communities under that level 2 out of 5 risk. This could get shifted eastward. This could get shifted westward. So that's why we're urging you to continue to check back in for updates as we fine-tune this forecast and as we get closer to Tuesday. What threats are we looking at for your Tuesday? Medium threat for tornadoes. I've got damaging winds on the high end, and I think that's because even if we don't see thunderstorms and severe weather on Tuesday, non-thunderstorm wind gusts could be exceeding 50 miles per hour, and then low risk for damage or for large hail and flash flooding. So let me time out that rain for you, the storms out for you on your Tuesday, and kind of give you what we're thinking right now regarding timing. 12 o'clock, the storms are just west of the Mississippi River. A few sprinkles for our far northwestern communities, but as we get closer in the afternoon, 2, 3 o'clock, really starts to knock on the back door, Yalobusha County to Oxford to Pontotoc, Union County to Montgomery County. Then by 3, 4 o'clock, we're talking our centralmost areas, Starkville to Aberdeen to West Point to Houston to Eupora to Ackerman. You're getting in on the heavy rain, heavy downpours, some gusty winds, damaging wind risk, and isolated tornado risk. So we got all modes of severe weather, really everything on the table for this for 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the afternoon on your Tuesday, still impacting our easternmost communities by 5, 6 o'clock. Then I think by 7, 8 o'clock, we finally get this pushed out of here into west and central Alabama. They'll be dealing with it as we go through Tuesday night. So if you have any friends or family over there, just make sure you continue to stay tuned to the forecast over there in west and central Alabama. Clouds move out. Wednesday morning, we're just left with a cloud or two and just windy conditions. And speaking of that windy conditions, outside of damaging winds and any severe weather that we see, even if we don't see any, winds are going to be gusting 40 to 50 miles per hour on your Tuesday. This is around lunchtime. And then you can see this one model in particular putting out 60 mile per hour wind gusts. So that's going to be another impact to you. It's going to be really, really windy and breezy on your Tuesday. As that line moves through, we are still dealing with gusty winds. Even on the backside, we're still dealing with gusty winds, 7, 8, 9 o'clock. So it's going to be a windy night as you head off to bed Tuesday night. That's why I'm thinking of adding a low impact for really this breezy conditions on Wednesday, because you can see by Wednesday at 7 a.m., we are still dealing with wind gusts 20 to 30 miles per hour at times. So again, stay tuned to the forecast, check back in for updates, and we'll keep you updated on the severe weather threat for Tuesday.